So on the way down to South Florida, we were having some problems with the slide out not coming out on a regular basis. Actually, on the way down to South Florida, 3 separate times, I would hit the power switch to move the slide outs out. Wouldn't work. Key was on. Everything. The vehicle was running. The engine was on. Everything was fine. Wouldn't work. Played around with it a little bit, and I don't know. Maybe it had heated up and it worked. Called Tiffin. And what they said, there's 2 relay switches for the hydraulic pump, which takes care of the 2 front slides, and actually the stabilizers also might need replacement. So they're going ahead and sent me those 2 relays. They're pretty easy to change. You'll see how I did it. Basically, I took a picture of it. The gentleman said just take off the hose clamp that's on there. It's actually a rubber hose clamp, a big one, and loosen it up, remove all the screws, put the new one in, put the bolts back on, and off we go. And as you just saw, it worked. Thank you, Mr. Tiffin.